Hey guys, what's going on? Kim here. So we had some people come over and look at our bathrooms recently. There's some mold that needs to get fixed. We're trying to get that in the process of getting taken care of. But one of the guys that was here actually looked at our air conditioning unit outside and basically thinks there's nothing wrong with it. We know it's turned on a few times. The grate was bent. The guy was like, basically, tap the grate back out, make it fit, and you'll be fine. So we go to turn it on, and for once it won't turn on again. So my uncle, who is the jack of all trades, is here, and he's taking a look at it for me. So. Splicing wires. I used to do that with my radio all the time. My dad would always cut the wire. He fixed the wires. Well, put those back together, and it was running. And it was blowing cold air. It already looks so much better just doing that. Well, yeah, we have to cut our grass too, but at least now I won't be afraid to cut the grass over here, not knowing what the heck is what.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about nicking it with a weed eater or something.
Yeah, because we never know what the heck half of these wires are.
Hello.
I had butter, but I need more.
He's busy over here messing with electrical stuff, and you want to play with water.
Yeah, I was going to say, don't spray water over your please.
Yeah, Lily, no. Absolutely not.
But I gotta put it in the tree.
I don't have any hair to curl.
Later.
Okay?
Alright, so Kyle's really not a big fan of sun. He needs lots of shade. Lily?
I told you to sit down.
Come fly with me. Okay, so doctored all of this back. Last few screws. We're good. Okay, so I hit the breaker box. Hear it? I can feel it, and it's cold. They're drawing.
Daddy said it's a bubbly restaurant.
Oh! There it goes. Yay!
All right.
You're awesome.
I'll have to see if you get cold air.
It is cold. Go feel it. Here,
Yeah.
come.
Now, does it go throughout the whole house?
Yeah.
So you
There's
get
a vent.
your bedrooms and stuff too? Or?
Yeah, every bedroom has a vent. The bathroom upstairs has a vent. Right here is a vent. 2 vents over there. The vent on the wall downstairs.
Yeah, it feels pretty cool.
And it's set, I think,
What's it set at?
73.
Yeah.
Do you want me to turn it down?
I'd be curious to see if the airflow picks up a little bit.
Put it down to
It's coming out pretty good.
Put it down to 69.
Yeah, it's coming out pretty good.
Yay!
Try where's another vent? Over here?
There's 2 over here.
Oh yeah. It is pretty cool.
Yay! And there's vents upstairs. See if they might be closed though. Every bedroom and oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yep, feel that?
Yeah, that's good.
And it's on the other side of our bed. Gaylord and Eliza's.
Yeah.
And then Lily's got a vent in her room too. I'll open.
Good. Just you just have to see when, it's kind of cool out right now. On a really hot day like we get to in the 80s or 90s.
Yeah.
See if it still puts out cold air, if it can shed it, the heat out there quick enough.
That is awesome. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Now how much do we owe you?
Nothing. Not a dime.
Yeah, we do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, and we still owe you so much.
Whatever.
Oh, that feels good.
Yeah,
Actually.
I guess you have to wait and see, like I said, when it gets really hot out,
Yeah.
whether or not it's gonna keep up with the heat.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Knees and toes. Alright, they're ready for bed.
Trouble one, trouble two, trouble one, trouble two, trouble two, trouble one, trouble one, trouble two, trouble one, trouble two, trouble one, trouble two.
Good job.
That's pretty big.
She wants me to read.
Guess what I said I was gonna get Liza for Valentine's Day.
What?
And Elmo, all the Sesame Street guys.
What? No, you said Elmo. Now it's time to all of them. We're gonna go broke. You know this,
Liza, I'm
right?
gonna get you every Elmo toy. Yeah. Do you like that? Yeah. Ooh, I'm a little Elmo toy.
Elmo toy?
And I'm even gonna get her Elmo pajamas.
Elmo pajamas too?
You're gonna be lucky, Liza. Guess what I'm gonna get you for Valentine's Day?
What?
Paul Heyman.
All right.
Paul Heyman, one of those big guys
One of the big guys?
that you can stand up in your room every day.
So it'll look like Paul Heyman's here. So it's like a Paul Heyman mannequin. That would probably scare me, actually. No offense, Paul.
What are you getting me?
A boat puzzle.
Nice.
Guess what I'm gonna get Arthur?
What?
A kitty toy.
Aww.
What are you gonna get yourself?
What? Same as last beginning. Elmo
Elmo.
stuff.
Elmo stuff.
I like Elmo too.
Yeah.
Elmo too. Do you like Elmo? Yeah. I do too.
Can't wait to see this boat puzzle.
Well, I'm gonna get you something else.
What am I getting now?
What did I say? Yes, again. I like Superman. But turn it back on.
Watch your fingers.
Stop, you're gonna break.
Stop. Eliza, fingers.
I'm gonna get you a puzzle too.
I get a puzzle.
Elmo book. It's
An
gonna
Elmo book?
be 5 dresses and 1 puzzle.
5 dresses and 1 puzzle. Well, that would- Elmo toys for you?
It's gonna take you for 50 days.
50 days.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
And I'll get you all rock stuff.
All
Rock
rocks.
stuff?
The guy who's in his underwear that I have.
Oh, the rock?
Yeah.
Not like actual rocks? You mean the rock?
Yeah.
I thought she
And I'll
meant.
get you one of those big guys of the rock. In the Star Wars guy.
Alright.
I thought she meant
I
the.
thought you meant like actual rocks. I thought you
Sorry.
meant Dwayne
Like-
the Rock
Life.
Johnson.
I thought she meant stock
I'm gonna
rocks
get
from
you
like a
I'm
quarry.
gonna get you
Wreck rock.
a Mickey Mouse toy.
Come on.
Alright, it's bedtime.
Don't fight it.
Don't
Fight it. Don't fight it.
What lies on two? Join in.
Alright.
And I'll get you a pair of socks.
Alright.
What, these ones?
Oh, hey.
Excuse me.
Alright.
Want this?
Let's
now?
go get medicines and brush our teeth.
Yeah. Want to see Liza's night light? Excuse me.
Alright.
Dora.
Do-do-do-dora.
You want to see mine?
Can you turn the light off?
Now I'm going to close my door. And you guys can see that Mommy fixed my fan. Mommy, what are you filming right now?
I was filming the Toy Story.
Come on now.
Say goodnight.
If you liked the video, like, subscribe. If you didn't, like, subscribe.
Have a good night, guys.